Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we are looking at abstraction in my code and functions. So the purpose of my program right here is this pencil code. So today we are going to be doodling. Yay, doodling. So we will show you the whole code first. So let's go through that first. So right here, we'll right click on doodle time, edit the code, and you can see what's in here. So the first part is that we will be actually saying, let's doodle. We will then go into the function doodle time. We will then, after all of these are done, so doodle flower, doodle square, doodle circle, we will put the pen back up and we'll say that was so fun. So that's pretty much it. It's very simple. So let's get into each function. Doodle flower is at X and Y coordinates. So I will edit that as well. And you can see this right here is the doodle flower code. If I right click doodle square, open that, this is our doodle square code right here. And lastly, doodle circle, if I open that, this is our doodle circle code right here. So let's go through each one together. Doodle flower first takes in an X and a Y parameter. It then pens up, which means that it gets rid of any color, and then it sets the pen color to pinky, sets the pen size to 8, goes to the coordinate, points in direction of right, or up, I think, yeah, that's up. Waits 1 second, puts the pen down, and then draws the flower. Okay, that makes sense? Cool. Next, we've got our draw square, or doodle square, sorry. So we've got pen up as well, to make sure we don't do anything else in the midst of going to the different coordinates. We have to set pen color to blue, are cyan, I guess, so we set the pen size to 10. Go to the different X and Y coordinates that were earlier described in the parameters. Point in direction up, pen down, and then make the square. And lastly, circle. So for our doodle circle, we also have the same thing. We have an X and a Y coordinates that we put in the parameters. We pen up, we set the pen to dark blue, set the pen size to 12, go to the X and Y coordinates, point in up, and then repeat 36 times to make a circle, right? Sounds good. And that's pretty much it. So let's go through the code together. So if I press this button right here, let's see what happens. As you can tell, it's pretty much just doing these things in order. And then it will pen up and say that was so fun. And that's pretty much it. It was really simplistic. It wasn't too hard. As long as you can get your functions in check, if you know how to use functions, if you know how to use parameters, it is a much easier process than saying putting all this code into one block, if that makes sense, or one function. It's much easier to separate it into many different functions that are more simplistic and specific. So yeah, that's pretty much all I did today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it made sense. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below. Have a great day. Bye, guys.